Gender and TV in the 1990s. Gender roles on television seems to become increasingly equal and non-stereotyped. It was the time period when the media industry acknowledged the woman participation in a media industry, and they started to give active roles, and they started to negate traditional gendered identities, and they started to condemned gender-based stereotypes in the TV shows. A study on the portrayal of women in primetime TV shows was conducted by Alma Hasbiga and Brain. Another study of women in primetime series was conducted by Loin and Dozier. In the primetime TV shows aired during the 1992 and 93, men took 61% of the total number of speaking roles, with women having the other 39%. The 1995-96 study found that men took 63% of the speaking role, with women having the other 37%. So if we compare the results of the both study, we see a very marginal increase in the women participation in the leading roles. In 1992-93 study, a small number of the major characters were female, 18%, and of this mere group, more than two-thirds were the stars of domestic situation comedies. In 1995-96 study, it was found that 43% of major characters were female, a much greater proportion. The 1992-93 study found that only 3% of women were represented as housewives as their main occupation, a massive decrease from the 1970s. So it was how the female characters were changed over the period of the time. An additional 8% of women were shown as homemakers, but without knowing the number of male homemakers. The 1995-96 study examined the roles of women and men in conversations on screen, recording the degree of control they extended over dialogue, the power of their language use, and the frequency with which they give direct advice. It was found that on a character by character basis, females and males were equal in these respects.